Now I am going to explain nitrogen flushing, purging, vacuum cum equipment sealing test manifold, general purpose, analog cum digital model. What are the internal components with the nitrogen purging system and how it works, how to purge, how to flush, how to vacuum the equipment and how to check the leakages of the equipment and how to check the leakage of the device itself. I will explain you. First of all, this is the general purpose nitrogen flushing, purging, equipment sealing test manifold system. This system is capable to handle all type of new generation thermal images existing in the field army and laser based equipment in the field army, and we can purge the passive night vision devices which is required to fill the nitrogen. That we can do with the equipment, with the help of this equipment, and high resolution binoculars can also be purged with the help of this system. That means this covers entire range of the equipment, laser based equipment, thermal imaging equipment and tank fire controlling system, all can be purged with the help of this system. The special features of this system is it is a backpack model. It can be backpacked onto a backside of the human being. He can able to carry up to the post and he can able to handle any of the new generation thermal images to carry out repair and maintenance and purging even at in situ level. The system is comprising of various nozzles which helps to purge the different type of optoelectronic equipment existing in the service. These are specially developed and universally made it possible for the to handle the multi-purpose of number of equipments. For example, this nozzle, independent nozzle, can able to handle number of thermal images. For example, HHTI, RT Miller, TI EGLA, Loris, and thermal elbow of TISAS. All this can be purged with the help of this nozzle. So this is universal nozzle which we were designed for the number of equipments to handle purging. And this is also the one of the universal nozzle. This nozzle is also helps to carry out nitrogen purging into the all type of fire controlling system. For example, K9 Vajra, ULHS 777, Tank T72, TIFCS and TIATGM. All this can be covered with the help of this universal nozzle. And this is dedicated for LRF LS30, and this is dedicated for passive night sight rocket launcher and INSAS rifle. And this is purging nozzle for the high resolution binocular, and this is purging nozzle for the passive night vision binocular and passive night vision goggle. And this is the flow control nozzle. This can be fitted into any of the nozzle so that the purging pressure can be stopped at the before entering into the equipment. Okay, these 6 nozzles can help to purge the various optoelectronic equipment existing in the service. The system comprises of nitrogen purging cylinder 2.2 water liter capacity and 330 liters of gas capacity, nitrogen gas capacity. This is a aluminum seamless lightweight portable cylinder. It comes 5 years tested warranty. The pressure contained in the cylinder is 150 kgs and tested pressure is 225 kg. Next, there is a bullnose valve fitted on the top of the cylinder. This bullnose valve allows to release the oxygen which is accumulated in the cylinder. Then there is a outlet control. This is called cylinder pressure control regulator. This cylinder pressure control regulator having a 2 indicators. One is cylinder pressure indicator, and second one is selected outlet pressure. By means of this knob we can select the pressure of this gauge, and the same will be exist with the help of this outlet valve. Okay. Now, as and when you open this cylinder anti-clockwise, the gas will comes from the nozzle and enter into the regulator, and the pressure will be shown on the indicator, gauge indicator. While unlocking this one, while rotating anti-clockwise, it should be in the anti-clockwise. That means it should be in off position. Okay. While setting this one, this should be in off position. Okay. While rotating this clockwise, the pressure will starts raise in the gauge. So that is the selected pressure or output pressure of the regulator. You see here there is a pressure that is nearly 40 psi, and you see here there is a cylinder pressure that is more than 110 psi. Okay, this is outlet regulator control, that is controlling valve. As and when you open this control valve, whatever the pressure retains in the regulator selected pressure, that will comes out through this nozzle and enter into the purging controller. This is called purging controller, nitrogen purging controller. It allows to purge the various optoelectronic equipment so that we can purge and make it vacuum, and we can seal, we can purge, flush. All the things can be done with the help of this controller. It allows to purge the equipment in low pressure quantity. Okay, so for that this is designed. This is a analog cum digital type manifold system. Why it is manifold? In the manifold, leakages will be very less, and all the things will be in front of you, so that the flow can be, you can visualized when all the things are seen in front of you. So this is the nitrogen purging controller. Okay, and this is the digital indicator, and these two are the analog indicators. In the first analog indicator, this is preset whatever the pressure selected, that selected pressure will be displayed on this, and after changing this mode of this lever, the pressure entered into this branch, and the pressure same will be raised here also. And this is the vacuum portion. This is the vacuum isolation valve. By closing this one and opening this one, you can make it vacuum in the equipment with the help of this pump. Okay, now this is the digital indicator, and this is AC indicator. This is the case for the nitrogen purging system, and this is the backpack for the carrying purpose, and this is the manual. This is manual and warranty certificates and all that. Now let us see how to switch on and how to proceed for purging.